New to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest notification about technology. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Innovative Edge Tech YouTube channel, and today I am going to unbox MI Band 4. Yeah, you heard it correctly. I am going to unbox MI Band 4. So let's get started. So here is the packet which came from mi.com. So we have purchased it from mi.com, and this is the Indian retail unit. Remember my so before unboxing this MI Band 4, let me tell you my friends, this is an upgrade to the old MI Band 3, which I have been using for quite some time now. It's kind of 1 year now. So this is the MI Band 3. I will be doing a comparison of the features also. So let's first unbox the MI Band 4, which we have got at around 2300 rupees from mi.com. So I have opened this one, and it goes from here. If you want to see the packet, it is actually the branding. MI branding is here. This is the Band 4, and obviously the Band 4 logo is there, and some informations here. It's written in English and Chinese as well. And if you see here, it is shown here color touch screen, and then notification display, sleep and step. Some features are mentioned here, as well as this side 5 ATM water assistant and various exercise modes, heart rate monitor. These are all written on the box. Bottom we don't have anything. Backside, when we see here, we have the MI Band 4 branding, and then the details on it. The mentioned price on it is not here. I don't know why the mentioned price is not here, but ideally it is 2300 in Indian currency, 2300 rupees in Indian currency, whereas in China it is actually selling for a cheaper price. It's around 2100. Okay, so let's unbox it. So when you will open this, keep this box inside. There is nothing inside on this. You will find the Band 4. Obviously this is the Band 4, and then on this you will find a charging dock. Yeah, the charging dock has changed. It's not like the earlier one. It is changed with the new this one dock. So here the dock is now bottom sided. Earlier it was on the side. In the Band 3 you can see it was somewhere here. Okay, but now the charging port is here. Okay, so this is the charging unit. I'll open the band at last. Okay, so this is the manual. Okay, and then this is the band itself. Okay, I'm removing the plastic, and obviously you can purchase other straps. This is the black color default strap. Nothing much branding on the branding side. This strap can actually work on Band 3 as well. So let's try it out. Okay, this is a Band 3. Okay, and let's try this strap on Band 4. Okay, before that we'll see. Okay, it shows pair first. Okay, so let's pair it, and then we can get back on this. Looks cool. Battery is there. So first we will try to put the band on a comparison. Physical overview. Let's put it back and see a physical overview. Okay, this is the first best way to put the band opposite side. So if you see the comparison of the band, and okay, let me put it like this, the correct way. So if you see, the Band 3 has MI logo, and even the Band 4 has MI logo, and then it says CE and recyclable, non-recyclable. So basically it is having the sensors, and the sensor looks cool on this. On the MI Band 3 it is a little different. The module is in same size, because that is what I have learned. It can be put into both the straps. So MI band 3 can work on the band 4 strap, and band 4 strap can work on band 3. So the same strap works on both the bands. Okay, front side, if you see, obviously the button is here, and in this the button is here. Okay, so let's pair it and get back to you. Okay guys, so now I have actually added the band to my phone, and right now the band is ready. You can see the band is having 12% battery remaining, and it is showing today's date. That is the status. I don't know what is the status. Okay, it's the status of step, calories and everything. It looks good. Heart rate, and then workout, then weather, and I think so the brightness and the display quality is better, very good and better than the OLED. You can see the OLED actually flickers, but this OLED is Super AMOLED screen doesn't flickers. This is flickering, you can see. Okay, and weather. Then I'll go further, notifications and more. So DND, alarm, it's all before, and music. This is the new feature which is there. Alarm, stopwatch, timer, find device. That was there in the old MI band. And then silent, and band display. This is the new feature, and settings. So we'll just go to the features one by one. Okay, and we'll come to the main screen. So main screen, you can see watch face is there. This tells you about the steps and everything, and then the time and date, and the batteries, how much battery percent is there. So 12% is there. Okay, then the status is whatever the steps you have taken, calories burned and all that, and then it will say about the idle alerts as well. Okay, then comes the heart rate. As you know, heart rate, you can measure your heart rate, and I will tell you, my friends, this band's heart rate monitoring is better than this, because one of my friend is already using it, and he says that it is better than this, because this will give sometimes the absurd heart rates. So workout, and obviously in workout you will find everything. So outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise, pool. So pool swimming is the new features which they have added, and this is a very good feature. So let's go weather, and on weather it will say about the weather. I am right now in Bangalore, so you can see it is showing off the Bangalore weather. Okay, and it will say about tomorrow, today, and everything. And it looks very decent, my friend. The display quality is very good. It's an Super AMOLED screen, and compared to your old MI band 3, which has an OLED screen and a small screen than this has a larger screen on this, and even good battery life. Okay, so it will tell about the next days as well. Notification, I don't have a notification right now. Okay, let's go to more. Obviously DND is there, alarm is there, music is there. This is the best feature which you can get. Right now I have not paired with the songs, so if I play any songs, it will actually come here. Okay, so let's go stopwatch and timer, find device, silent, and band display. So band display is one display is this, another display is this. You can keep on changing from displays. So 3 displays you can find it from here, which you can set. These are the default displays, 3 displays, and later on you can actually set the displays from your MI Fit app, and all the features are there. Looks cool, man, and I'll just wear it. I'll be ordering some straps for it, because I don't want to put the same strap. Okay, looks cool. As you can see, the display quality is enormously good, my friends, and it is quite visible in the daytime. And what I have heard is you can increase the brightness as well. Looks cool. On the more options, you will have the find device, which is actually cool option there, and then you can silent your phone as well. Settings, I will go. Brightness is what I was telling you about. So this is not the maximum, this is the maximum brightness, and as you can see it is quite bright. I'll keep it to mid level, and then lock screen is also, and then reboot, factory reset, and obviously regulatory and about. So let's go to about, and we can see the details, firmware version and Bluetooth address. So that's all my friend for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching the unboxing and first hand on this MI Band 4. I'll make separate videos for the comparison with MI Band 3. As you can see, I'll make a separate video on this. So thanks my friends, thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe and our channel and keep